Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the vibration test on this Poco F3 device, which is called as the Redmi K40 smartphone, as well. As you can see here, friends. So let's see how is the vibration intensity in this phone and what are the options you are getting in this vibration features as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more this kind of interesting videos on this Poco F3 device. And in case if you're having any other doubts regarding this smartphone, so make sure to comment below. So as you can see, friends, this is the option where you can find sound and vibration. So if you scroll down in that, you do have this kind of haptic feedback. So the bottom one is the haptic feedback level. So when you can increase the and decrease the feedback, so that's a very good advantage, friends, in this phone. So you do have this kind of option and flexibility to increase. In normal phones we don't get this kind of options, but that's a really great option we are having in this phone. So far the vibration intensity feels kind of good and great, no issues at all. So let me try to see what are the additional settings you are having where the vibrations will be there. So let me try to find. So more options will be available here: vibrate for calls and vibrate in silent mode as well. So these are the three options so which is available. So let me try to use the keyboard just by typing. Let's see whether you will be able to hear some voice or not. So normally you should be able to hear a little bit kind of voice when I'm typing. So I think even I cannot hear much voice from this keyboard. So these are just the basic haptic feedback level where you can control, but I don't think this that strong as compared with other smartphones. So I'll try to do the in-depth comparison with other other phones, friends. Definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and also do check the links in description for more details. So I do have the Mi11. I'll try to do the comparison between the haptic feedback, but I do feel Mi11 has got very good strong vibration intensity in that smartphone, but in this phone we don't have that much kind of intensity. But this vibration is also integrated across the complete UI. For example, if you are in the settings, if you tell to scroll down and if you reach the bottom of the menu, you'll get the feedback of the vibration. Even if you reach the top as well. So not only there, even you do get the feedback in the normal clock application when you're trying to set the alarm clock. So when you're trying to change the time, you'll get that kind of feedback from the back side. That's another good thing. I'll try to test the gaming feedback as well. When you're trying to game, is there any feedback or not while gaming? So make sure to follow me regularly in case if you want to know more details. So that's it, friends. This is a small review on these vibration options and what are the things you need to know. And thank you for watching this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.